Welcome to the Missouri Department of Revenue's tutorial for requesting a password reset. During this video, you will learn how to reset your mytax password. Go to mytax.mo.gov. On the home screen, you will see the mytax Missouri login box. Under the Login button, you will find Forgot Password. You will select this option. On the next screen, you will input the email address that is associated with the portal account that was previously created. Select Submit. You will receive an email that will provide all accounts created with this email address, and you will need to select the user ID you wish to have reset. On the next screen, you will answer security questions. Select Submit. Next, you will enter a new password followed by confirming the new password. Select Save. The next screen will let you know that your password has been changed. Select Continue. In the Login box, you will input your user ID and the new password you just created. Select Sign In. This will allow you to access your portal account. Thank you for watching the Missouri Department of Revenue's tutorial on how to request a password reset.